how you set it, and I'm going to show you another card trick. Okay, what I'm going to do first is write down a prediction on a piece of paper, okay? Put a few lines, make it look nice. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in this cup, in here, so none of us can see it. Right, bring it out. And put it in. Okay. Step back in. Okay. Right, I'm going to put this back in. Okay. So now my prediction's in there, so we'll put this aside. And now we'll get on with the trick, okay? Now what I want you to do is tell me to stop. Say they say stop there. Right, so that's your card. All I'm going to do is lose that in the deck. Okay? So hopefully none of them are your cards, and what I'm going to do, like that. And we'll give them a couple of shuffles like this. Okay? One more riffle shuffle. Okay? So now what we're going to do is put the deck back. Now I'm gonna show you my predictions. Right, so that's my prediction, and it is the 8 of spades. Is the 8 of spades? No, it's not the 8 of spades. Are you sure? Alright, okay then, let's try something. Right, 8 of spades. What about that? 3 of diamonds. Get your card. It's the same piece of paper. It's one of my new tricks. Okay, thanks. Bye.